What's up, YouTube? Day 999 of trying to get this freaking steering wheel off this car. Once again, we're talking about the '04 Chevy Monte Carlo. As you can see, I did it. Finally got the steering wheel off. In the last video, I showed y'all, well, in the first video, I showed y'all how to get the airbag out. So that was step one to get the steering wheel off, just to get the airbag out. Step two, the next part was actually trying to get the actual steering wheel off, which was hard as hell to do, but I finally did it. So I'm gonna give y'all the tricks real quick. So you almost need two kits to actually do this. First I went to AutoZone and I got this joint here, your steering wheel puller kit. And it comes with one of these joints. Okay. So I was using this at first. However, the problem is on these steering wheels, for these cars, this kit is nothing but bolts. So on the steering wheel, if you can see, I'm trying to show you, there's no grooves in here. You see what I'm saying? There's no grooves in here. So where the bolts go, and so how it's supposed to go, it goes something like this. Basically goes like that. You line it up, you see? See how that lines up? You got your bolt here. You got a bolt that goes in right here. Then you put that bolt that goes in right here. But for the steering wheel, whatever, there's no grooves in here. So the next thing I had to do, I had to go back to AutoZone and get this rental kit that comes with all type of gadgets. Comes with all this good stuff, right? It's like 60 bucks. It's a rental. You rent it. When you bring it back, they give you money back. So don't trip about the $60. It's not a big deal. But what you really need is, because there's no bolts, what you really need are these things. It's like it's like little hooks, because you don't have no bolts. So this actually goes behind. This goes in here like this. Boom. See that? And it's like a pulling. It's gonna pull to actually pop the steering wheel out. Boom. See that? That's how that's gonna go. So I was doing it like that. But the problem was I had to use both kits because the where's it at? This here was not strong enough for my car. It wasn't strong enough. So every time I had it in the middle. Had it in the middle like that. I'm trying to hold it up at the same time. I don't think I can do it now. I can't do it. So you see how that goes, right? That goes like that. But every time I kept trying to tighten it down to get the pull, this one is not strong enough, and this is the one that comes with the $60 kit that you rent. It's not strong enough. So what I had to do, I had to revert back to using this guy, because it came with a strong. See how strong that bolt is, and you put that in the middle. Boom. And what you do, you just tighten this down. You just keep tightening, and eventually it's gonna pop. It's gonna just pop out, and your steering wheel is loose. So next step is, so maybe there's an easier way to do it. I don't know, but I had to use a combination of two kits just to get my steering wheel out. If there's an easy way to do it, somebody let me know. Post a video, but there was not any good videos for a Monte Carlo on how to pop your steering wheel out. But finally got mine. And oh yeah, you're gonna need some WD-40 around here just to lubricate it so it'll pop up easier. All right. Well, y'all like and subscribe. Y'all hit me up. Let me know what y'all think. If y'all need any help, holla at me. Lambo Jojo, I'm out. Peace.